Hi, I'm Bradford. Welcome to Safe Ride.
Bradford, thank you for the drop off there at Coronado. I'm going to have you go to aisle. I'm going to have you go to Apache for free. How about Apache for free?
Copy Apache for 3. I've been with Safe Ride since last year, September, so about a year and a little bit more. We want all the students of the U of A to be able to have a service that makes them feel safe, to be able to get from point A to point B if they don't have a car or a means of transportation. So obviously a lot of people can't either afford a car or they can't get a car out here because they're from out of state. So we provide that service that allows them to be able to, get groceries, get to the library, get from their friend's dorm back to their dorm or something like that without having to worry about, walking a mile and a half, or even if it's just a close place on campus, like, AZ-SO to the library, at night it can get a little spooky. So we want people to be able to have that sense of security that they have a way to get to where they need to go safely. We go, it's about, I think, a 2 square mile radius. We go all the way south to Broadway, all the way west to Stone, but we will go past Stone to Country Club. That's the only exception. We go north as far as Grant and east as far as Country Club. So anywhere in between there, you're good to go, except for downtown. I know that's technically in our boundaries, but we won't go downtown. Usually we have an average of like 420, 430 students a night. And on Fridays, it's usually somewhere around like 150 or something like that. But I mean, we get so many people. It's ridiculous. I think last year we took over 90,000 students in the year. So I mean, if you think about that, that's if the entire university, each person used Safe Ride, I think, at least 3 times.
I mean, cab rides are really expensive, so Safe Ride is definitely, it's got my seal of approval.
It's very convenient.
I use Safe Ride 6 days a week.
The grocery stores are probably one of the biggest places that we go to. Fry's and Safeway, I mean, usually Friday night and Sunday nights are big grocery run nights. Obviously, the weekend's starting or the week ending, so we get a lot of people going to the grocery store. These are definitely a good resource. We like to give these out to people so that they can have our numbers and basically hours of operation for anything that they need. So we really have these. We have them in all our cars, so if anybody asks, we hand them out and all that good stuff. So definitely a good resource. Thanks for riding along with us tonight. And don't forget, if you guys ever need a ride, just call 621-SAFE, Sunday through Thursday, 6:30 to 1, and Fridays, 6:30 to 9:30. See you later.